Welcome to Ionic Systems YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is twofold. One, to have videos that talk about our services, and two, for videos that go with our blogs. So on our channel, you'll notice right away that we have some recent videos. These are going to be about our blogs. And then we have service videos. So cloud backups are one of the services we offer. And there's a bunch of videos in here that show you how to get started, which is how to install the software. And there are other videos down lower that show a little bit more specifically about how some of the business plans work and some of the options that they provide. And then up here we have our blog videos. So as I do a weekly tech blog, and each week that comes out on Blogger and also on our website, but some of them also have videos that accompany them. Not all of them, but when it makes a lot of sense to have the visuals go with it, I usually try to make videos for that. So you're going to find those here. So also of importance is you can reach our website from here. So if you go up into the header and you click on our website, you'll see here's some of my most recent blog posts. And at the top, if you click on resources and technology blog index, you're going to get a searchable index of our blogs. So this is not where they're hosted. They'll redirect you to Blogger, which you can subscribe to here, or you can actually go to Blogger by clicking that link in our footer. But from here, there's a search feature. So I could search for keyboards or something like that, and you would get the results of that. And you can also search by category. So you can look at what tech tips there are in here. You can look at things that I've written about Apple products. You can look at things that are like troubleshooting tips, like how to do different things, like some of these, like when keyboards stop working, and some of these other things you see in here. So you can kind of just browse through here. You can do most recent or most popular, and that will usually change what you're looking at. And so then again, you can subscribe here. The blogs are free, and by subscribing, you're not going to subscribe to also getting email. There's no marketing that comes with that. You just basically are signing up for the blog and it has no ads in it. So that is just the purpose for the blog is for us to share information with more people at an easier rate. If I tried to share this information with people and I had to tell every single one, it would take me a million times longer. So we try to put this information out so that people can help themselves a little bit better, and the tech kind of gets out of the way of whatever they're trying to do. So it's more about just sharing information because we love tech and we want people to be able to utilize it better. And then one other thing is if you go to solutions on our website and tools, there's a resources page. And over here, there's some really neat documents. These are all PDFs. You can download them for free. You don't have to give away an email or any personal information, but they're just little things that can help you. So like one of the most important ones is the recommended computer minimum specs. This is something that people ask me all the time. And so it's easy to direct them here and they can download it for themselves. Another one is keyboard shortcuts. So this is a keyboard shortcut PDF. And if I open it, you can see it's literally just a PDF about shortcuts that may be useful to you or your office, or you know somebody that this would be useful for. Sometimes it's hard to remember all the ones that are in there. And so that's what these resources are. And then another thing under solutions is the solutions section. So these are pages that are all about different things you might want to utilize in your business, or it might be just for you personally, or you might know somebody. And this is just about gathering information. So like if I wanted to know about maintaining data systems, what kinds of things do I need to know? So it starts with like the intro and it tells you what kinds of things it's going to talk about. So it's just about data. This one in particular is about data availability. And in other words, that means if you own a business, how important is it for you to be up all the time and to have access to your data all the time? That's going to vary by business. It's going to vary a lot. And so those are one of those things that you need to ask yourself and you need to know about your business. Second is preventing unauthorized access. Not only is it keeping people from accessing things that are on your network, but also making sure that you maintain the integrity of the data that you do have. How do you know somebody hasn't made changes to it in the meantime? Things like that. And then last but not least on this particular topic is proper data destruction. So making sure that when you're done with data and the actual physical hardware where it lives, that you properly destroy it so nobody else behind you could ever get access to it. So this is just one example of one of these pages, and this one is maintaining data systems, and it just kind of addresses a few different things that you would want to really make sure you addressed if it's something you're concerned about or something you're considering. So again, these were under solutions and the solutions section. Every single one of these pages is just like this page in the sense that it's just providing free information. So the other one that I talked about was under tools for resources. Those were the PDFs with like keyboard shortcuts. And then under the resources tab, the tech blog index. So this again is different text that I've done. So the actual blog post, and then the videos. And then the videos, of course, live over here on the YouTube channel. So we hope you enjoy the channel, and if you want, you can also subscribe. Thanks for checking us out.